3D printing has become a global phenomenon with expansive possibilities. From professional industry to hobbyist desktop crafts, printing in 3 dimensions is becoming a modeling norm. Currently, the most common form of 3D printing is accomplished by FDM, or Fused Deposition Modeling. The systems for printing in FDM are so prevalent due to their lower initial costs and overall cheaper operations expenses. However, this comes at the high price of final print quality. The global market for 3D printing technology has increased rapidly since the late 2000s. In North America alone, 3D printing has grown to a more than $2.2 billion industry, with growth projected to increase even further. Even with great advantages in hobbyist crafting, industry prototyping, and countless other engineering marvels, 3D printing with FDM is not without some flaws. After printing is complete, there remains visible print lines where each layer applied to the object can be easily seen, leaving some 3D printing enthusiasts less than satisfied. Printing enthusiasts must then process their prints by other means. Unfortunately, this processing often takes more time than the actual printing of the object. However, Visage Processing believes that there is a much faster alternative to save the user some time and unnecessary trouble. Introducing Chronos by Visage Processing. Chronos is designed to solve the post-print processing issue with a near-autonomous aggregate blasting system to remove print lines and polish the final product up to 90% completion. The process begins by adhering the printed part to the blasting bed inside of Chronos. The user then defines the parameters necessary for Chronos to perfectly process their object. This includes filament type, blasting aggregate, and so forth, all through the touchscreen user interface. Chronos then begins the post-processing cycle. The gantry system raises, lowers, rotates, and elevates at an angle, all to successfully process any part printed by the user, regardless of shape or complexity, all while ensuring the appropriate pressure and blasting distance be maintained with help from a series of infrared sensors to detect various changes in the part. Chronos' complex processing system provides printing enthusiasts with a user-friendly alternative to cleaning prints that is also semi-automated, multi-material compatible, and affordable. By utilizing Chronos as opposed to other processing alternatives, printing enthusiasts can possibly cut the time from concept to creation by more than half, bringing them closer to a finished product they can enjoy.